Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on 3-minute series for prelims. In this video, we'll be discussing about the financial emergency. Financial emergency is prescribed under Article 360 of the Constitution, where the term financial emergency is not explicitly mentioned, rather it is mentioned as provisions as to financial emergency. The financial emergency is proclaimed by the President on the recommendation of the Council of Ministers, on the ground such that if the financial stability or the credit of India is threatened, the Parliament needs to approve the proclamation by the President within 2 months after the proclamation, and the majority needed to move this motion in the Parliament is simple majority, that is, half of the members present and voting plus 1. And this bill needs to be passed in both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. And the term of the financial emergency has not been mentioned in the Constitution, and it can be extended with no limit, that is, it can be extended for an infinite period, and the repeated parliamentary approval in case of Article 352, that is national emergency, or in the case of Article 356 like President's rule, is not required. The proclamation of financial emergency can be revoked, and this can be done only by the President and does not require any parliamentary approval. Now let us look into the effects of financial emergency on the center-state relations. On the center-state relations, central executive, that is Government of India, can direct the state to observe canons of financial propriety, that is, reduce the wasteful expenditures in the state. The central executive can recommend for the reduction of salaries and allowances of persons who are working in the state, and also the center can direct the state to reserve all the money bills and the financial bills after passed by the state legislature for the consideration of the President. The President may approve or may not approve of the money and the financial bills. The President can issue directions for the reduction in salaries of persons who are working under the Union or the judges of Supreme Court and the High Court. The main point to be remembered is the reduction of salaries for persons working in the state is prescribed by the Government of India, while the salaries and allowances of persons working under the Union is prescribed by the President. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding financial emergency. Proclaimed by the President during 1991 financial crisis, the fundamental rights are suspended during its operation. The correct answer is D, none. So far in the history of Indian Constitution, the Parliament or the President did not proclaim the financial emergency even during the time of 1991 financial crisis. Therefore, the statement is wrong. And there is no effect on the fundamental rights of the citizens during the financial emergency. Therefore, statement 2 is wrong. Thank you.